Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the GE Dishwasher Upper Dishrack. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new tower and the upper dish rack. The upper dish rack is where you put the smaller items in the dishwasher. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's rusty or damaged and the dishes are falling through. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we're going to pull the upper dish rack out a little bit. Then we're going to use a small flathead screwdriver to take the end caps off the rails so we can pull the rack out. There's a little locking tab on the outside. We're just going to use a small flathead screwdriver to pop it off and pull it off the rail. The other side comes off the same way. Once you have the end caps off, we can pull the upper dish rack off the rails. Here's the old upper dish rack next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Looks like they've redesigned the upper dish rack and you can't use any of the parts from the old one on the new one. But we do have to install the tower onto the new one. It's just going to snap onto this bar right here. There's a couple of locking clips on the bottom of the tower. So we just need to line those up and snap it into place. Once you have the tower installed, we can put the upper dish rack into the dishwasher. To put the new upper dish rack in, we're just going to line up the wheels on the rails and slide them in. Once you have it in, you can push it all the way in. Then we're going to grab the rails and pull them out a little bit. To put the end cap in, all you got to do is line it up and push it on so it snaps in. The other one goes in the same way. Once you have both end caps on, you can push the dish rack in all the way. We can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.